Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a community manager to your Facebook page. Community managers act like low-level administrators who can moderate comments and monitor flagged activity. Let's jump right into it. First, click on the menu icon at the top left of your Facebook page. Then, click on Settings in the left panel. Now, under the Audience and Visibility section, select Page Setup. On the right side, find Page Access and click on it. For community managers, click the Manage button. From here, you'll be able to add a community manager by clicking the Add Community Manager button. Community managers can delete comments from live streams, ban people from streams, and see all administrators on your page. Click Get Started, then enter their email address or name to send them a request to join. That's all you need to do. It's a pretty straightforward process. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found this useful. See you in the next one.